Family, how y'all doing? Come on in here and sit on down. Early bird gonna catch the worm for Friday. Yes, sir. Friday. That's what these three picks for. Early bird catch the worm. Go ahead and take a look at it. We gotta get to the money. 5:40 game time. 83 degrees. New York Mets. 47-34. 19-22 on the road. They on the road tomorrow. 27. Pittsburgh Pirates 32-50. 21-20-21 at the house. PNC Park, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Shout out to Philly. Well, shout out to Pittsburgh and Philly. Tickets on the low, $13. On the mound for the Mets is David Peterson, 5-3, ERA 2.98, striking out any and every doggone body. It's 78 strikeouts. Whip of 1.24. Out of Denver, Colorado. Shout out to the Mile High. Shout out Denver, what's up? On the mound for the Pirates, Mitch Keller, right-handed pitcher. Cedar Rapids, Iowa. 1-10, struggling. ERA 4.02. Laying them down though, 73 strikeouts. Whip 1.22. Last 5 games, Pittsburgh doing 4 runs. The Mets doing 5. 5-4 give you 9. Over and under right now is 8.5. You want to take that over? I understand. When you take the 5 minus 4, that's going to give you a positive 1. They have right now the Mets to win by 1.5. Let's the math say take the Pirates plus 1.5. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the Pirates plus 1.5. Down in the comments, I will have these picks pinned in the comments. So right now we're going with the Pirates plus 1.5 for Friday, June 27th. Next game, 6:05. Game time, it'll be 70 degrees. A's Athletics 30-50. 18-23 on the road. They're going to be up against Yankees 46-34. 24-16 at the house. We over here at Yankee Stadium in the Bronx, New York. Shout out to the Bronx. Doors open up at 4:05. Tickets on the low, $34. On the mound for the A's, Mitch Spence, relief pitcher, gonna be out of Kirkland, Washington. Shout out to Washington. 1 save, ERA 3.84, 50 strikeouts, whip of 1.30. On the mound for the Yankees, Will Warren, winning losses 4-4. ERA 4.66, striking out any and every doggone body at 96 strikeouts. Whip of 1.33. Will Warren is out of Brandon, Mississippi. Last 5 games, the Yankees have been doing about 5 runs. A struggling 1.8. 1.8 plus 5 gives you 6.8. And the over and under is 8.5. You will take the under if you want to entertain that. You take 5 minus the 1.8, it will give you a positive 3.2. The Yankees right now, Vegas say they'll win by 2. They got them down by 1.5. Let's take the negative 1.5. Yankees should beat the A's by more than 2 points on tomorrow. Last but not least, Give me 1 second. Let me let my dog in. Everybody wanna be on pictures. Third game, 8:40 game time. It's gonna be smoky. It'll be 105. We're gonna be in Arizona. Miami Marlins, 34-45, 17-21 on the road. Arizona Diamondbacks, 41-39, 20-18 at the house over here at Chase Field, Phoenix, Arizona. Shout out to Phoenix. Doors open up at 6:40. Tickets on the low, $30. On the mound for the Marlins is Erie Perez, right-handed pitcher out of Santiago, Dominican Republic. He's so far away. 0-2, he's struggling. ERA too high, 6.17, 11 strikeouts. Whip of 1.63. On the mound for the Diamondbacks, Maria Kelly, right-handed pitcher out of Houston, Texas, H-Town. What's happening? Win and losses, 7-3. He good. ERA 3.39. Striking out any and every doggone body at 93 strikeouts. Whip of 1.05. Diamondbacks last 5 games, 4.8 runs. Marlins, they've been doing alright, 5.8 runs. Total that's going to be 10.6. Over and under is 8.5, 8.5. If you want to entertain that, take the over. Take the 5.8 minus the 4.8. That give you a positive 1. They got the Diamondbacks supposed to win by 1.5 or 1.5. The math says take the Marlins not to lose by plus 1.5. And I'm gonna rock and roll with the plus 1.5. That's it. This your early bird Friday 3-teamer parlay. If you picking up what I'm putting down, you already know what I need you to do. I really shouldn't have to ask you. I'm working hard right about now. But please like, comment, subscribe to this channel. You talk to me, you know I'm going to talk to you right back. Let me know what you got going on with the money line. Y'all be good now. We'll holler.